As a child, ano siya, masayahing bata at saka mahilig siya sa art and medyo may pagka maarte like mommy. And yun lang masabi ko sa kanya, masayahin siyang bata. Tsaka mabait.
Ako naman, syempre, lagi ko nang kachat siya. Pero habang kachat ko siya, nakikita ko naman sa kanya yung pagiging talented, magiliw lagi, tsaka masayang bata. Sipag mag-aral, tsaka mahilig talaga siya mag-drawing. Tapos medyo minsan may kasupladahan din pag naiinis. Ayun. Pero napakabait na bata naman, napaka-sweet niyan sa amin.
If I'm being honest, honestly we're on to we're off. When honestly we just want it love.
Pag like ko siyang kasama sa school, hahatid ko siya sundo, tapos sa pagmomoling, yan. Yun ang banding namin. Tsaka dito sa bahay, kasama niya ako lagi.
Talagang constant communication. Tsaka syempre, yung lagi kong pinapaalala sa kanila na lagi ako nandun, kahit sa chat lang, yung anytime pwede nila akong kausapin.
When you were so fake.
Ako, pagka umuwi talaga ako, ni-make sure ko na laging buo kami. Yun, lagi kami sama-sama kasi yun lang yung time na parang band namin eh. 1 month lang ako lagi dito sa Pilipinas. So, mini-make sure ko na talagang hindi kami nagkakahiwa-hiwalay most of the time.
And if I'm being honest, honestly we're on to we're off. When honestly we just want it love.
Masayahing bata talaga. Kasi gusto niya pag the way na makitaan siya, makita, lagi siyang may ngiti agad sa labi. Masayahing bata talaga siya.
Sa kanya siguro yung mismong mukha. Alam mo yun, yung pagkaliit ng mukha niya na nakaka-attract. Yung lakas ng dating ko, parang gano'n. Malakas yung attraction ng bata sa akin. Nandun yung pagka-sweetness niya, yung pagkagiliw niya, na-express niya sa mukha niya.
Sino ka mga
Ako, syempre. Hindi, joke lang. Parehas naman kami. Hati yan, hati.
You know I don't wanna say this.
So this party won't start without our birthday celebrant. So everyone, let me give you our birthday girl. Here is Rain Audrey!
If I'm being honest, honestly we're on to we're off. When honestly we just want it love.
Happy 7th birthday, Audrey. I hope na your special day will be filled with lots of love and lots of fun. Mag-aaral ikaw ng mabuti at magbabait palagi at makikinig sa daddy at sa kuya. Ate, love you so much. Happy birthday!
We're on different pages. Kills me 'cause
Tita Elaine sa'yo is stay as beautiful as you are. Thank you for being such a good friend to my daughter, si Yana. Si Yana misses you so much. I love you, baby. Happy birthday!
Hello, Audrey. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay mag-aral ka ng mabuti at magpakabait. Laging sumunod sa akin. At lalo nang wag laging aawain ako. Saka wag laging tatarayan ako. Happy birthday and I love you. Yung gift mo baka sa next week.
And if I'm being honest, honestly we're on to we're off.
Happy birthday, Audrey. God bless. Happy birthday, Audrey. May all your wishes come true. God bless. Happy birthday, Audrey. Always obey your parents and always be kind to others. God bless you always. Happy birthday, Rain. I wish you the best. Thank you for being the best friend.
Sana kumain ka ng gulay. Ang palaya. Bawasan ng pagiging mataray. Makinig lagi kay Mami at Daddy. Tsaka kay Kuya Andre. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Audrey, happy birthday. Ito na yung pinakaiintay natin. Dumating na yung wish mo. Sana matupad, pagpunihin ng pag-aaral. Lagi mong tatandaan, love na love ka namin ni Daddy at ni Kuya. Mag-aaral na mabuti and magiging mabait na bata. Happy birthday! Love you, anak!
Nak, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa inyo na... Teka mo. Mahirap kasi sa akin malayo eh. Happy birthday na. Mag-aral mabuti.
May kapal ako. Matanggal.
Lagi kang makikinig kay mami at daddy. Ha? Gusto kong lumaki kang successful sa pag-aaral mo. Doon ka makabawi. Malayo lagi si daddy. Pero huwag niyo makakalimutan. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Malayo man ako. Uy, kinig kayo sa mami niyo. Happy birthday. I love you.
When we just want it love, but honestly, just isn't enough. If I'm being honest. Happy birthday to you.
Come on, make it louder.
Happy birthday to you. If I'm being honest, honestly, we're on to we're off. But honestly, we just want it love. But honestly, just isn't enough. If I'm being honest. If I'm being honest, killing me, going through all of the change.
Hulog eh. May nahulog. Yung puso ko. Nahulog sa'yo.
Finally done with you leaving me hanging. And I hate to say this, but if I'm being honest, honestly, we're on to we're off. When honestly, we just want it love. But honestly, just isn't enough. If I'm being honest. Yeah. You know I don't wanna say this.
Happy birthday, Audrey!
I hate to say this, if I'm being honest.